Okay, so what have we been learning about this week?
Subtraction.
So raise your hand if you can tell me one reason why you think using subtraction in your everyday life might be important. Hannah.
So you can know math.
Knowing math, but that's how would you use math in your everyday life? Weston?
Because you might be having a math sheet and it's graded.
That's true. Y'all do have that. Eli?
If your teacher gives you a number line and you've been practicing, you will know what to do.
So wait, hands down, and I'm going to pose a question. You ready? Hands down. Do you think you use subtraction whenever you're going to the grocery store?
No. Yes.
Oh, those that said yes, raise your hand if you can tell me why. Hayden. Okay, here, I'll tell you. Or Bryn, you want to try? Why would you use subtraction?
Because if you want to use like 10 groceries, you need to make sure you buy 10 groceries.
Yep, and so you can take away one every time you put a grocery in the cart. Or, okay, hands down, whenever I'm ringing up my groceries and the cashier tells me my total is $10 and I hand her $20, I know that I should get $10 back because 20 minus 10 is 10. Or what about, oh, I'm trying to figure out how many I need of something. If a recipe calls for 6 apples and I have 3 apples at home, how many apples do I need to go buy? 3 more. So that's how we use subtraction kind of in our everyday life. You might use subtraction whenever, I think I said, oh, you bring cupcakes to school for your birthday, so you bring 20 cupcakes. And then 19 of them get 8. So you know that you get to take 1 cupcake home at the end of the day. Because 20 minus 19 is 1. We do math sentences every morning whenever Miss Darrell is doing attendance and she says, okay, there are 19 students and we have however many. Today it was 1 student missing. How many are here? You see? That's how we do that every day. But we're going to watch this song really quickly and then we're going to work on a worksheet.
Move along, children's songs, make your way by strong. Subtraction, action, this is how you play. Move your body and take away. When you subtract things, you get the difference. Let's do subtraction, move and have fun. 4 bald eagles are gliding through the air. 2 bald eagles fly down and land somewhere. How many bald eagles are gliding through the air?
So if there were 4 gliding through the air and 2 land, how many are left? 2.
4 minus 2.
Take out your whiteboards and markers real quick. We're going to play, whenever he asks the question, you're going to write it on your whiteboard. Okay, so get out your whiteboard, marker, and eraser. Whiteboard, marker, and eraser. Okay, so how would you write that math sentence? How many bald eagles were there?
4.
How many flew away?
2.
And then you need to write 4 minus 2 and what it equals. Quick, it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. Write it small so that you can fit multiple math sentences on your board. You shouldn't be erasing between math sentences. What did we say about saying that's easy, remember? You don't say it because what's easy for you might not be easy for someone else. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Okay, moving along.
Equals 2. 3 alligators are swimming in the lake. 2 alligators go on the grass and take a break. How many alligators are swimming in the lake?
Okay, so what would your math sentence be? How many alligators? No, just write. Don't say it out loud. How many alligators do we start with? And then you take away how many alligators took a break on the bank. Callie, baby. Write your answers in. And so you should start with your big number, take away your smaller number. Show me your board when you have an answer. Show it to me. Don't show it where other people see it.
Oh, that scared me.
Good job, Kaden. When I say good job, put your board down, lay your head down. Let me see it. Nope. 3. How many alligators took a break? You say take away 2.
Excuse me.
What's 3 take away 2? Think about it. Good job, Callie. Good job, Hannah. Good job, Weston. Good job, Wyatt. Good job, Bray. Good job, Azara. Good job, Colton, George, Carly, Bryn. I can't see that, Eli. Yes, good job. Good job.
Don't even look at this desk. Look at it.
Have one more.
Oh,
So that one is the one that's going to go on top of that one.
Okay, we're gonna keep it going. So write your next math sentence over this one. Let's see if y'all got it right.
3 minus 2 equals 1. 10 fast runners are running in a race.
So what should your first number you write down be?
10.
So write me a 10. That was on purpose too. Don't do that again. Write me a 10. Minus. Remember the minus looks like a dash. The subtraction. Nope, that's a plus sign. Look what my minus sign looks like. Write a minus. Yep. Let's see what happens.
5 fast runners finish at record pace.
So how many runners finished?
5.
So 10 minus 5.
Equals
So write minus 5 equals, and what it equals.
5.
Good job, Hannah. Put your head down. Good job, Bray. Put your head down. Good job, Lawson. Good job, Weston. Put your head down so I know not to call on you again. Good job, Bryn. Eli, baby, I can't see that. Nope. Look. Draw 10 dots. 1, 2, 3.
Who's grumbling?
7, 8, 9, 10.
Don't grumble.
Erase 5 of them.
You need help?
Good job, George. Good job, Carly. Good job, Colton. Good job, Kaden. Good. No, Eli. Oh, you're good. You're holding it upside down. See, baby, this is what you're showing me. Gotta make sure you're holding it right, okay? But yeah, you're good. Good job, Callie. Good job, Trey. Good. Ooh, you're so close, Wyatt. Draw a picture. Draw 10 dots and erase 5 of them. Good job. Good job. Okay, heads down until Wyatt gets a chance to finish. We gotta be respectful. Good job, Azara. Good job, George. So how many runners are left running in the race?
5.
Good job. So when he says it, you can answer it.
How many fast runners are still running in the race? 10 minus 5 equals 5. 8 bodybuilders are pumping up some weight.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a second to write the first number in your next math sentence. What should the first number be? Eight. Sit up, Azar. So raise your hand if you're gonna tell me if you want to. Why do you think these are situations? Do you think these situations happen in everyday life?
Yes.
Do people run races?
Yes.
Do people do bodybuilding?
Yes.
Do we have birds flying in the sky?
Yes.
See, this is house subtraction. You see this every day.
5 bodybuilders stop and take a break.
So how many bodybuilders stopped? 5. So write 8 minus 5. And then tell me what the answer is. And hold it up so I can see it, please. Hold up the board. I want to see the board because I want to make sure you're right. Right. Looks good, Weston. Looks good, Carter. Ooh, Hannah, check yours again. Looks good, Eli. Looks good, Kaden. Looks good, Colton. Bryn, you're good. Lawson, check yours again. Looks good, Wes, except you forgot your equal sign, bud. Looks good, Azara. There you go, Hannah. Good Good job, Wendell. That's fine. Draw a picture. Draw a picture. Draw a picture. Use a number. Looks good, Carter. Looks good, Lawson. Looks good, Carly. George. If I've already said you're good, put it down. Looks good, Bray. Callie, draw a picture. Draw 8 circles and erase 5 of them. Shh. Remember, we gotta be respectful of our friends. I think you drew too many lines. Watch, I'm gonna draw you 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Erase 5 of them. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? Okay, so how many bodybuilders are left?
How many bodybuilders are still pumping up some weights? 8 minus 5
equals 3. Okay, so very last warm-up question. I want you to turn to your table partner, and I'll remind you who your table partners are. And I want you to give them a math sentence to solve. Now listen, okay? Courtesy mode. Your first number cannot be bigger than 10, and your second number cannot be bigger than 10. So can I tell my partner, tell me what 20 minus 15 is?
No.
But can I tell my partner, tell me what 5 minus 3 is? Yeah, because those are both smaller than 10. And remember, your first number has to be bigger. So your table partners, Wyatt, you're going to work with Wes. So Wyatt can work with Wes, Weston and Carter, Hannah, Bray, Trey, Callie. Y'all two, George, Carly, Azaro, Eli, Lawson, Brandon. You got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. This should not take long. No, just Wyatt, focus on the word. Right? Give me that. And focus. Yep, you write a math sentence and then solve. No, you gotta start with a big number. The small 10's the biggest you can go. You need to write a math sentence for Callie to solve. Right one, did you write? Sure. Not plus, you gotta do takeaway. 10 takeaway. What number? So ask Wyatt to solve this one, and Wyatt, let me see yours. Oh, here, y'all solve it together. How about that? So draw me a picture of, we're going to do the number line theory, okay? So we're going to start at 10, and let's hop back 3. You ready? 1. So what's before 10? What number comes before 10? Yeah, but what number comes before 10? No, 10. You say, not after. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It's 2.
So it's 9. What comes before 9? So 10, 9. What comes before? Yes! And what comes before 8? So what's your answer?
8 minus 3 minus 1. 8 minus 1.
Y'all solving each other's problems? Y'all doing good?
8 minus 1.
Okay. Courtesy mode. Courtesy mode, Callie. That's not me. Keep writing. Okay. If your partner did a good job, raise your hand. If you and your partner worked hard and they gave you good problems and they helped you if you were struggling, good job. Give your partner a high five. Okay. Ooh. Hey, easy. Clear your boards. Put everything away. Clear your boards. And I want you to take out your math book and turn to page 57. 57. 57. 5, 7. there should be no talking. Y'all know that. When you have it out, get your pencil out, put your head down. Don't tear anything out.
I didn't feel that.
Okay, that's okay.
Yes, I'm on it. With the food
Raise your hand if you need help finding your paper. What do you need? Okay. Evidently so. Okay, so we're gonna keep working. So we've been learning the different strategies to do subtraction. Who can tell me one of the strategies that we learned? Weston. Yeah, we talked about using fingers. What was another strategy, Eli?
Drawing pictures.
Drawing pictures. And the very last strategy we learned, Lawson, what was that?
Counting forward.
Ooh, are we counting forward or counting?
Backward.
Counting backwards. What did we use? We had
Number lines.
number lines. So, don't be turning pages yet. I'm not telling you about anything. Did you know another strategy we talked about? What? Dots. That goes with drawing pictures. Okay, I'm hearing pencil boxes that I shouldn't be hearing. So, on page 57, hold your finger in the air. Finger in the air, everybody. Callie, Weston, Tatum, High Put it down on this word right here. So listen, if I keep hearing voices, I'm going to start giving tallies. Elena has 7 apples. Circle that number 7. Ian has how many apples?
6.
Ooh, people aren't looking. Ian has,
1.
what's that number?
1.
1. Is it an emergency call?
I can't find that page.
Bring it here,
I'll
please.
come back.
Has 1 apple. Elena gives how many of her apples to Ian?
6.
Circle that number. So then it asks us, how can you show the numbers of apples each child has? So here's what I want you to do. Draw, how many apples did Elena start with?
7.
So draw me 7 circles, and these are going to be our apples. Okay. Once you have that done, give me a thumbs up. Carly, you need more time? Zara, you need more time? Put your thumbs up then so I know you're ready. Lawson, you need more time?
I'm trying to get my jacket off.
Okay. Carter, do you need more time? Give me a thumbs up then. Callie, sit up or you are getting a tally.
I got my tape though.
Weston, you need more time?
No, I have a thumbs up.
Okay. Hands down. So what do you think we should do next? If we drew in Elena's 7 apples, what should we do next? Hannah.
Draw in
Ian.
1 dot.
1 dot for Ian. Draw in 1 apple for Ian. So then it says Elena gave 6 of her apples to Ian. So what should we do in Elena's square?
X out 1.
Oop. Listen to what it says. It says she started with 7 and she gave 6 away. So raise your hand if you want to tell me what you think we should draw. Trey?
We should out
X? How many?
6 out.
X 6 out. Good job. Draw an X through 6 of Elena's apples. So those 6 apples gotta go somewhere. Where are they gonna go? Ian's. So draw 6 under. So you have your 1. Make a new line and draw 6 apples. Okay, once you have that done, give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Just look at what I have. Count mine, count yours, okay? You got it. Azara, I don't know what you're messing with, but it's about to be mine if you don't put it away. Okay, so Azara, you need more time? Then give me a thumbs up. Carly, do you need more time?
No.
Carter, you good? Weston, you're good. Callie, you good?
Nope.
Trey, you good yet? How many do you have on your paper? What? Ooh. Count mine, count yours. Come here. Come here. Quick. We do not have time for this, Trey. How many apples do I have? You ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And you had 7 and you marked out 6. You drew 1, 2, 3, so how many more do you need to draw? You need to get to 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers did I just hold up? I started with 3. 1, 2, draw me 3 more apples and then go sit down. So let's write a math sentence. I'm going to help you with Elena and then you're going to do Ian, okay? So how many apples did Elena start with?
7.
So write me a 7 on that first line. How many apples did Elena give away?
6.
7 minus 6. And how many apples are left? 1. So it says Elena has 1 apple. So do Ian on your own. Now look, it's an addition sentence, so you got to think about it. How many did he start with? How many more did he get? And how many does he have now? Once you have that done, give me a thumbs up and I'll come stamp your paper, if it's right. Oh, I just explained it. You've got to try to figure it out. See, Hannah? 1 plus 6 equals 7. Good job. Cover your eyes, don't let your partner see. Oh, not quite. Nope, nope, nope. Give me your pencil. Give me your eraser. How many apples did Ian have to start? How many did he start with? How many apples did Elena give him?
6.
Well, you didn't have it in the right order, so what's 1 plus 6? Oh, listen to me. What's 1 plus 6? No, but you had everything else wrong. What is 1 plus 6? Good job. Gotta do that one. Ooh, 1 plus what? How many apples did Elena give him? Oh, no, because you have the exact same wrong answer as him, which means you're looking at his paper, because you had the right answer to start with. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Look at it. Look at my pictures up there and try to fix yours. Look at it, Katie. Look at it, Colton. He started with how many apples? How many did he start with? So there should be a 1 right there. How many apples did Elena give him? There should be a 6 right there. And then this should be your answer. If I've already checked your paper, put your head down. Oh, not 1 plus 7, because how many apples did Elena give him? It does equal 7, but what number goes here? How many apples did Elena give here? You drew too many dots. It's only me. How many? How many apples? Alright, 1 plus 7. Because what would 1 plus 7 be? 7 plus 1. What's 7 plus 1 equal? And so is what when you have 1 plus 7 equals 7, was that a true math sentence? No. That's hard. Yes. okay. You need to be in your seat. I'm gonna tell you to stand up there. Come on. Your seat now. Go. So we'll do this all together. How many apples did Ian start with?
1.
Heads up, everybody. How many apples did Elena give him?
6.
How many apples does he have now?
7.
So Ian has
7.
apples. Flip it over. To the page with the orange.
Wait, I thought we did.
Page with the orange. It says, ready? Put your finger where my finger is. Helena has what number?
8.
Circle that number. So Helena has 8 oranges. Look at that number. What number is that?
5.
Circle that one.
I don't have that page.
Yes, you do if you have the other page. So that's going to be a tally for shout now. How many? What's that number?
5.
Is Eli the only person paying attention?
5.
Are in a bag. The rest are in a bowl. How many oranges are in a bowl? So our math sentence, read it with me. 8 minus 5 equals blank. You're going to fill that in. So I want you to use this space to show me how you would solve that math sentence. Give me a thumbs up when you want me to see how you solve that math sentence. I'm not going to tell you how. I want you to think about it on your own. Use all the strategies we've worked on. Yes, Carter.
That was your example. Everybody's is down the hill. Not somebody did it like that's how it's made. Okay? Put your book up like your name on the back.
George, I need you to solve your own. You don't need to be having a different thing.
Yes, leave your paper up, put your book away.
Let's eat, Carly. Good job. Cover your eyes so don't let your neighbors see it. Good job. Cover your eyes. Oh, but you gotta show me something here. That's the right answer, but I gotta see something here, okay? Yep, you gotta use it. What is that? I need you to show me something here. Show me like a strategy we use, whether it's drawing pictures, the number line strategy, dots, any of it. Got it. You're on the right track. How many do you need? That is right, but you copied that. You need to keep going. What you do, Zara? Well, we got a bunch of dots drawn. Let me see what you're gonna do with it. Let me see, yeah. Good job. Okay. Let me see your spray. Or you're not done yet. Good job. Cover it up. You put this back. You don't need it anymore. And this will go in your folder to go home. Put that in your thing. Okay, but you gotta show me something in the box. Whether it's a picture or a number line. I know you might have done that in your head, but I need you to show me. We'll draw pictures then, because pictures are kind of like your fingers. Oh, because baby, you're not on the right page. That's why I'm not telling you to check it. What answer did you get? How about? Look at you, Smarty Patootie. It is Smarty Patootie to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Go ahead. What was the answer? Okay. Oh, no, you're not putting that away yet. Good try. But put the folder away. Let's see. No, I said do not put it away yet. Guys, you're putting your book away. You are not putting your paper away. Miss Earl's just trying to help out staple, but you're still working. Looks good. Looks good. Good job, guys. Yeah, or it's alright. Let me see it. Okay. You have 8 minus 5 equals 3, but what does your picture show me? You've got way too many dots on here, so what is your picture showing me? Because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 dots drawn. So erase all of those and let me help you.
Yeah, nope, that's right. Use the new one. Use the picture.
You need to be on the next page or on the wrong page. You're on the wrong.
Draw 8, draw 8 and then take 5 away.
I'm just not going to do that first.
Yeah, I don't want to see it yet.
So draw 8 circles. Draw 8 circles.
Oh, you see you were close. Flip flop, these
Don't
two
take so
numbers.
long, just draw circles, don't color
Flip
it.
flop, these two
2,
numbers, please.
3.
If you have finished with the first one and I've told you to move on, move down to letter B where it says take your subtraction sentence and make it an addition problem. Stretch what you know. Try to figure that out. Draw me your 8 circles.
You gotta kill that one, let me go up. Yeah, and then should we do this one, you show on this one.
Draw 8 circles.
How can you write an addition?
Remember this where you take what you have here and make it an addition sentence.
Remember the
Take away
big
5 of
number
them.
and you add and put it in. Okay. No, it's already said the big number.
How many are left?
When you add.
There you go. Move on to the additions. So hands down, hands down.
Put an 8 there.
Raise your hand if me or Miss Darrell have not seen your letter A where it's the box with the drawing where you should have drawn something. I've seen yours, Trey, hands down.
Draw 8 circles.
I don't need to see that then. My question was about the other
Yeah,
one.
we have to see it and you can count with your fingers, but I want to see something on the paper.
Draw 8 circles in the box. Quicker, Wes. Take away 5 of them. Put an X in 5 of them. Here's your other piece. Borrow him. Use those. That's good. Move on to letter B. Try to do letter B. I know we've not really talked about taking a subtraction sentence and making it an addition sentence, but I know y'all are super smart and can figure that out. Nope. Right there. You're in the Okay. Callie, that's got to be a whole other clip because you were just goofing off right now. Yeah, sit up here, supposed to, please.
Callie, go bring me the board so I can give them to you before we forget.
I wrote down one of them.
You did? Okay, so she needs one more.
Go get the board and take it to Miss Darrell. Yes, ma'am. My cousin Lois isn't here. You can put your hands down for that. If awesome. Thanks. Okay, so let's do this. How many circles should I draw? Or no, actually, I'm gonna do what Bray did, because she didn't do the drawing
Come here,
picture
Callum.
strategy. Bray, what strategy did you use?
I did the number line.
Number line. So talk me through what you did. What did you do first?
I got the number line first, and
What number did you write first? Did you write 8 first or 3 first?
I got it.
You wrote an 8. And then what did you do? You hop back how many times?
I got back 9.
So you go 1. Count it out, guys. 2, 3, 4, 5. So what number comes before 8? 7. What number comes before 7?
6.
What comes before 6?
5.
What comes before 5?
4.
And what comes before 4?
3.
And that would be my answer. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. So this addition sentence. So out of the numbers 5, 3, and 8, which is my biggest number? Raise your hand if you can tell me which is the biggest number. George.
8.
8. So listen, 8 is my answer. So we should go at the very end. Now 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3. Remember, addition can go in any order. So it doesn't matter if you wrote 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3. Either way, they mean the same thing. You get the same answer. The letter C here. Raise your hand. Raise your hand if I'm going too fast and you need more time. Okay, Colton, I will slow down for a second. Okay, good. So letter C says, so 8 minus 5 equals, what does it equal?
3.
I'm only hearing Eli. What does it equal? 3. So there are how many oranges in the bowl? 3. Go to the picture that has a postcard and it has these dots on it. Is everybody on that page? Give me a thumbs up when you are. Carter, take your folder off your desk, babe. Thank you. Bryn is ready for me. Carly is ready for me. George and Caden and Lawson are. And Colton is. And Eli is. And Bryn and Hannah are. I gotta see high hands for me to count it. Wyatt's ready. Weston's ready. Callie's ready. Wes is ready. Azara, you ready? Trey, you ready? Carter, you ready? Okay, hands down. Put your finger on number 1. Trina writes, what's that number? 10. Underline it. 10 postcards. What's this number? 6. Underline that one. Are in the mail. The rest are on her desk. How many postcards are in her desk? So this is going to help us think about it. Use addition to subtract. 10 minus 6 is what we're trying to solve, right? But we're going to use addition to help us learn how to subtract. So if I have 6, so they had 6 dots that are one color. You see that? Count them out. You ready? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Say, oh, I'm not tapping and people are counting. Let's do it again. You got to focus on what I'm doing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And then they said, okay, I have 6 and I need to get to 10. So they drew however many more dots. Let's see how many more dots they drew.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now think about it. Let's count them all together to see if they got to 10. You ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So did they get to 10?
Yes.
And head up. So how many circles did they add on? 4. So 6 plus 4 gives me 10. 6 plus what?
4.
So it's saying we can use that addition fact to help us to subtract. So we have our 10 dots, but we can take away 6 of them. So we know how many dots are left?
4. 10.
Oh, think about it. Look at your picture. We have all 10. The red ones, and there were 6 red ones, are taken away. How many yellow ones are left?
4.
How many?
4.
Write me a 4.
Okay.
So the question at C says, how many postcards are on her desk?
4.
How many?
4.
4. Now you're going to do this one on your own, and then you get to take them back home for practice. But when you do this one, you got to let me see it before you put it away. Vito has what number?
12.
12 seashells. How many are big?
5.
5 are big. The rest are small. How many small seashells does he have? Now everybody go into courtesy mode. look at the questions. It says 12 minus 5 equals what? Then this says 5 plus what gives me 12. So you need to think about that, because I can't write 5 plus 12 gives me 12, because that's not true, is it? Your number sentences have to make sense. So figure out this answer and then raise your hand when you're ready for me to check it. Oh, but you didn't fill it all out. You gotta fill it all out before I can check it. Gotta fill it all out. I know you know it, but you gotta fill it all out. Draw pictures, do whatever you need to do. Okay, put it in your folder. Got it? Oh, keep going. Or keep trying. Good job. Subtraction seems to be your thing, Trey. Look at you. So you have different numbers. 5 plus 7. So you're saying, so what this says is 5 plus 8 gives me 12, but here says 5 plus 7 gives me 12. So which one's right, 7 or 8? Okay, then you need to fix it. Draw me 12 circles, Carter. You have two different answers. These should all three be the same number. Draw 12 circles. Keep it going. I need you to draw me pictures. Not 8. Try again. You gotta fill all these out. Fill all those out. Hey Carter, take away 5 of those circles.
You have 12 of 5 and 7. What's missing? Do you have 12? You do. Do you have 5? You do.
When you are done, what are you supposed to do? If you put your in your color folder, once you put it in your color folder, what do? You can read in your blue reading book, or you can put your head down. Those are your two options. You gotta feel this number needs to go here though. So Carter, how many circles are left if you took away 7? Took away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need you to mark out 2 more.
Look at how that's all mixed up.
1 more. So go 1. Count with me. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Mark up 5.
Count the 2 when you go here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count how many dots are left for me, and then that answer is what goes here.
So that number goes there. Can I see?
Hey, Callie, if you're gonna read, you gotta read in your head. Draw me 12 circles.
You got a paper?
Oh, that's not paper too.
Well, listen, focus on that math right now.
When you got all 12 drawn, take away 5. So Carter, how many are left? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7's your answer. Once you get all that right, there's your check. Okay.
You gotta take away.
No, you gotta write that answer everywhere. There. Callie, you have got to read in your head. It's right in your head. If you do not read in your head, I'm gonna make you put it away and not read. Y'all know that. How many are left?
All right, guys, if you have finished your math, clear your desk. And this is what I want you to take out, your colorful folder.
So write 7. Put it away.
I need that letter that I told you was going to your adult about the computer. Just take it out and I'm gonna come staple something to it.